Be talking about a bit of a heat index over the weekend. It's going to be up around maybe just over 100 for us. So get set to sweat just a little bit. 63 though, taking you out to DBU there right now. We'll have those upper 60s for Fort Worth here at 67, but low 60s for Denton. 70 getting out to Decatur here this morning, but those low 60s getting out to Greenville and Canton at 61. So we have seen those temperatures cool off a little bit for us, but yeah, we are going to heat up a little bit more as we go through the day. Now those dew points, not too bad this morning. Low to mid 60s, even some upper 50s out there for us here a little bit this morning, heading over to Athens and getting out into East Texas. So as we look at that muggy meter this morning, we're starting to get a little sticky out there with those low and mid 60s here for you this morning, but still not too bad. But we will see that humidity again climbing a little bit more as we get into the weekend. Now, the remnants of the tropical system there as we are looking at that up over Arkansas here this morning. Still some showers and storms associated with that, but that's well removed from North Texas now, so no real influence there for us. We'll have those southeast winds returning there as we see Francine, what's left of that spinning across Arkansas there. As we zoom in, we're going to have clear skies across North Texas here for today, so not looking too bad at all with those highs. Again, starting to heat up a little bit today. That normal high 89 for today, but we're going to be back into the 90s, so it's a return to summer for us this afternoon, heading into the weekend. Upper 80s farther east, heading out toward Sulphur Springs. You'll be around 90, 92 heading over toward Greenville. But look at those mid 90s heading out toward Granbury and Mineral Wells, and those temperatures will climb a little bit more later today. If you're hitting the roads, doing a little traveling, it will be a hot one heading out toward Abilene, heading west. Those upper 90s out over the Ark-La-Tex region, not quite as warm, but still looking at some lower 90s. Look at Austin, San Antonio today. We'll be in the upper 90s there as well. So yes, it is going to be a hot one all around, and those temperatures here as we go through the next few days, getting into the early part of next week. The heat will stick around. We're going to be well above normal for us through the early part of next week. Temperatures will start to come down some, but really not much at all. That normal high 89 to 88, so we're going to be above that over the next few days. So here's your weekend. It is going to be hot, a little bit humid tomorrow. We'll have that heat index up around maybe just over 100, 97 that high. Those southeast winds at around 5 to 10, 96 or so on Sunday. So yes, it's going to be continued hot. And in that 14-day forecast, not much changes until late next week. We'll keep those temperatures in the lower 90s through Wednesday and Thursday. Some low-end rain chances are back in the forecast by the end of next week, going into next weekend. And you see those temperatures do begin to come down just a little bit. All right, let's get up at the station, checking on your Friday morning traffic.
All right, thanks, Greg.